have a new sales rep, Jane Jones, and this happens a lot with new sales reps, is they want to know how much sales they have to get in order to have a commission of a certain amount.
Right.
Is there an easy way, rather than sitting down with a calculator, to have them figure out exactly what they need to make in sales in order to reach a certain commission?
Sure. You know, we've been doing kind of the opposite of that in the other what-if analysis. But there is a third option in the what-if analysis drop-down. So let's go out and click on that. Let's go to the Data tab.
All right.
And then, of course, we're coming down to Data Tools. The last button in that group is What-If Analysis. And we're looking at Goal Seek. We have a goal.
Okay.
So what is it that, go on and click there. What is the commission they're often interested in finding out?
All right, so for instance, Jane asked me how much sales would she have to have in order to have $1,000 in commission.
Okay. So what we're looking at is her commission staying the same, right?
Right, she wants it to be $1,000.
But the percentage is staying 3%, right?
Correct.
So notice we have set cell to a value. So her commission is in cell F2.
Right.
So we want to set that cell, so we choose F2, to the value of 1,000.
Okay, so I'll put that 1,000 in this cell. Okay.
And of course, there's a cell that's going to have to change, and she's saying, how much do I have to sell? So the cell that would have to change would be
The sales.
the sales, D2.
Oops, let me put my cursor down here and then choose D2.
Right. Now you click OK, and it immediately tells you what she would have to sell. She'd have to sell a lot.
She would. She'd
She
have to
would be
sell-
super salesperson to be that new. But still, at least she knows now she needs to sell $33,333 to make $1,000 in commission.
And I noticed that it's telling me some information here. Target value was met. Is that what this means?
The target value is 1,000, and notice the spreadsheet's now showing you that. So it's saying this is the target value and the current value, which happen to match at the moment.
Okay, that's great. So we met our target value of 1,000, but it looks like Jane is really going to have to ramp up her sales in order to meet that.
Or get a promotion. Now, why don't you go on and click on OK there? You'll notice that it did change your data.
Oh, yeah.
So how can we get it back to what it was originally, even if we don't remember?
My favorite button,
Oh, yes.
undo.
Undo.
So I can come up here in the quick access toolbar and hit undo.
That's
And
it.
now I'm back to normal.